Alright, let's do some practice. So I got you a series of var here. Variable. We got first name, we got last name, we got age, we got city, we got biography. And I want you to actually print the personal information. Right now, you'll encounter error, cannot find personal info in scope. How to do that? I know there's some things that I did not teach you. I want you to use the current tool that you have, using the current knowledge you have. You can search online, you can do a little bit, asking AI sort of thing. Just using whatever method that you have and try to solve this problem. And you have to print the personal info. Simple, right? But treat this as some sort of, forming of a habit, forming of a routine. Because it will get harder, I promise you. But just quickly solve this.